Welcome the our channel. Today we how to backup printer settings on Windows 11 detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Windows 11 device. Click on the Start menu located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Control Panel in the search bar and press Enter. In the Control Panel, locate and click on Devices and Printers. Find the printer whose settings you want to backup. Right-click on the printer icon. Select Printer Properties from the context menu. In the Printer Properties window, click on the Advanced tab. Next, click on the Print Processor drop-down menu. Note the current print processor and the data type being used. Now, navigate back to the General tab. Here, you will find the option to change the printer's preferences. Click on the Preferences button to open the Printer Preferences window. Make a note of the settings configured here, such as paper size and quality. You can take screenshots or write down these details for reference later. Next, return to the main Devices and Printers window. Right-click the printer icon again, and choose Printer Preferences. Now, pay special attention to any advanced settings you make note of all custom configurations. If your printer supports it, consider using the Export or Save feature. This option allows you to backup settings directly to a file. If your printer does not have this option, documenting settings is your best approach. Once you have noted down all settings, close the Printer Preferences window. You can also check if your printer's manufacturer has a specific backup utility. Visit their official website for any tools related to your printer model. If available, download and install the tool as per the instructions. Follow the utility guide to create a backup of the printer's settings. After the backup is complete, store the information in a safe location. This can be on a USB drive or a secure cloud service. In case of printer reinstallation or issues, you can easily restore your settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.